Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll make this very beautiful flower. It is made of two types of petals, big and small. And the shape of the big petal is different from the small ones. See the shape of the big petals. They are slightly pointed at the center. We have made 7 small petals and 9 big petals. Although it is not giving fragrance, yet it is very beautiful. Now let's begin. We'll take yarn over the front finger and hold it with our thumb and mid finger and control with the lower 2 fingers. Our wool is 4 plied and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. Slip knot is very easy to make. Slip knot we have made. Now we'll make 67 chains. Chains we have made. Now we'll make petals. First we make small petals. For one small petal we require 3 chains. Leave the first chain and make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. 1 half double crochet in each chain. First half double crochet, second half double crochet and third half double crochet. 3 half double crochets we have made. 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Pull the chain from the first chain. First stitch. Now we'll make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. 6 double crochets we'll make in the gap made by the chains, by the 3 chains. Now we'll make 6 double crochets. 1 we have made, second double crochet, third one, it is fourth, fifth and sixth. 6 double crochets we'll make for one small petal. Make 2 chains and make a slip stitch in the gap itself. Slip stitch we'll make. One small petal we have made. Now second petal we'll make. 3 half double crochets in 3 chains. First half double crochet we have made, second half double crochet, and now it is the third one. 3 half double crochets we have made, 3 chains. Now we'll pull this chain from the first stitch out of this 3. Pull it. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now 6 double crochets in the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 double crochets we have made. Now 2 chains, slip stitch in the gap. In the gap itself, slip stitch. Two petals we have made. Like this, we will make 5 more petals. Total 7 small petals we will make. One small petal requires 3 chains, so 7 small petals require 21 chains. 7 small petals we have made. Now we will make big petals. For big petals we require 5 chains per petal. So now we will make 5 half double crochets in 5 chains. 1 half double crochet in each chain. Five half double crochets we have made. Now we will make 5 chains. We are making big petals, so we require 5 chains. Pull this chain from the first stitch. Pull this gently. From the first one, pull this chain from the first chain. Now we will make 4 chains, not 3 chains. 4 chains we will make. Now we will make treble crochet. 4 treble crochets in the gap. 4 treble crochets, 1 we have made. Second treble crochet, yarn 2 times over. Third treble crochet and the fourth treble crochet. After 4 treble crochets, we will make another treble crochet in the central stitch out of the 5th, means 3rd one, out of 5 half double crochets. Now we will make 4 another treble crochets in the gap. In the gap, 4 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total we will make 9 treble crochets. Total we have made 9 treble crochets. Two chains and slip stitch in the gap itself. This is big petal. Big petal, 1 big petal we have made. Like this we'll make 8 more big petals. Total we'll make 9 big petals. 5 half double crochets we'll make. Five chains, pull it through the first chain, three chains, 4 treble crochets in the gap, fifth treble crochet in the third chain out of the 5 half double crochets we had made in the central. Again 4 treble crochets in the gap, total 9 treble crochets we have made, 2 chains and slip stitch in the gap itself. Two petals, 2 big petals we have made. Like this we'll make 7 more big petals. One big petal requires 5 chains, so total 45 chains are required for 9 big petals. 21 plus 45, 66. 1 chain extra, so 67 chains will be consumed. We have made all the petals, 7 small petals and 9 big petals. Now we'll make edging with the single crochet stitch. First we'll make 3 single crochet in the gap made by 2 chains. 3 single crochets, 3 we have made. Now we'll make 4 single crochet in the first 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 single crochets. Now we'll make picot. 1 chain, pull it through both the chains and make a picot. Now make single crochets in the rest 5 chains. Now this picot gives the shape of leaf. 5 single crochets make. See the shape of the petal. It looks beautiful. Now we'll make single crochet in the gap as we did before. 3 single crochets in the gap. 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch. Slip stitch will make. So we have made the edging of the first big petal. Like this we'll make edging of the rest of the 8 big petals. I hope you will like the video. Please do share it. Please subscribe and explore my channel for more beautiful videos. Please be connected with the channel. Edging gives shape to the petal. We have made edging of the first 2 big petals. See the shape of the petals. Like this we'll make the edging of the rest of the big petals. And edging of the small petals is very easy. We have not to make picot. We have to simply make single crochet in each chain. We have made edging of the big petals. Now we'll make edging of the small petals. Slightly pull the picot outside. Edging of all the petals we have completed. Now we'll make second edging with a different color, preferably with a contrast color. We'll join the thread. 1 chain we'll make. And now we'll not make single crochet, we'll make slip stitch. And we'll make slip stitch from the back. We'll not take the whole chain, we'll take the half chain, we'll take the back chain, then we'll make slip stitch. Only half chain we'll take and slip stitch we'll make. It is very easy. It gives a beautiful edging. On each single crochet, we'll make slip stitch. It is very easy. It is so simple. And after one petal, we'll take slip stitch from the below. Like this, we'll complete the second edging of all the small petals. And now we'll make edging of the big petals. Slip stitch up to the picot. We'll make slip stitch in each single crochet up to the picot. And on the picot, we'll make one single crochet stitch, which gives a slightly beautiful edging. Like this, we'll complete the edging of all the big petals. Slip stitch on every single crochet and single stitch over the picot. We have also completed the second edging. All petals are looking very beautiful. Take the extra thread in the back. And now we'll make the central part of the flower. One magic knot we'll make, one chain, and we'll make one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet. We'll make 4 times. We can also use a bead at the center. Magic knot will tie it. And join with the first chain with the slip stitch. Cut the thread and keep it aside for a while. Now we'll arrange the petals and we'll stitch these petals from the back side. Now we'll also attach the central part and pull the thread from the below and tag at the back. The flower looks very beautiful. I am eager to see you again with another beautiful video. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.